大蔥除咗用嚟炒或者炆煮之外，其實用嚟煮湯都好啱㗎。今日我就會用佢同薯仔做成一個濃湯，好啱呢個乍暖還寒嘅天氣飲用㗎。英國超市嘅韭蔥或者叫大蔥、Leek 同薯仔，可以話係最抵食嘅蔬菜頭3位啊！
So good, baby, so good, so good. Every single day was found apart. I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do. Feels so good, so good.